This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to Mavans on the TV, the DSTV Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by Muntu.
Sundowns in the hip. It's Sundowns in the hip.
Yeah.
But before that,
yeah.
Talk, my brother. It's Lungu City. The whole conference of Kaizer Chiefs is out of top 8. the whole conference of Kaizer Chiefs is out of top 8.
Like top 8 league.
You know why I'm mocking Kaizer Chiefs every day when I'm doing my interview?
Why?
There is this guy who with a big head. Who? Barke Dubandlela.
Kimango.
Barke Dubandlela. Give ya Kaizer Chiefs.
One thing.
Dimana Riena, I hate Sundown. Oh, he like Mangorat. Dubandlela. Give I want to the social media. I'm going to Dubandlela. Arena. Arati Sundown. Tito. Favor. Yeah. Arati Chiefs. Tito. I pretend.
Oh, Chiefs.
Coming to the game. Tito. Coming to the game. Tito. Yeah. You know, Retamigile, Sekhukhune Samigile. Yeah. And then towards the end, Nebon Tagarita draw. Sekhukhune Nasifitile. Truly speaking. Yeah. Sekhukhune Nasifitile. Yeah. Towards the end of the 90 minutes. Yeah. Well, Sundowns against Sundowns. Sundowns against Sundowns.
Give a man of the match. Give a man of the match.
Matthias Kopi. Matthias.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can a man of the match.
Any penalty last Sekhukhune. Was there a penalty from Sekhukhune?
For now, according to where I'm sitting, I don't see a penalty there.
Yeah.
Referee rules. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah.
There's nothing I can do.
There's nothing I can do. Yeah. Esperance.
Thank you.
Esperance. Tell me about Esperance. Tell me.
We have seen this movie before. Yeah, Rina.
Which?
Remember AFL who writing her salary total finally. Narita wira halangwa.
Nelishi.
2-1 score.
Hey,
Rina. Friday. Ruin. Say star Kisarina. Yeah. Say Kisarina star.
Without fear
or favor.
Thank you.